Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play offline in FC 26. First of all, if you can't open FC 26 because it says you must be logged into PlayStation Network or Xbox Network and also the EA servers, here's exactly what you need to do. Even though the game has offline modes, it still need to verify your account online the first time you launch it. So if you're on PS5, make sure your console is connected to the internet and log into your PlayStation Network account. If you're on Xbox, connect your console to the internet and sign into your Xbox account. Once you're signed in, open FC26. The game will automatically connect to the EA servers to verify your license and link your EA account. After that verification is done, you can disconnect from the internet if you wanna play offline. Now when you open the game again, you will be able to play modes like kickoff, career mode and tournaments completely offline. But just remember, the first time you start the game, you must be online. After that, you're free to play offline anytime. So yeah, that's pretty much of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.